It may look like science fiction, but this isn't an actor in a film set in outer space.
History was made during Hannover Messe 2011 in Germany. It's where the term Industry 4.0 was publicly introduced. Industry 4.0 represents the fourth industrial revolution, which emphasizes the use of smart manufacturing processes and encompasses advanced technologies including Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, robotics, cloud computing, machine learning, and digital twins. The goal: to create smart factories where machines and systems can continuously improve processes via automation and self-optimizations. The introduction of the Industry 4.0 concept was initiated by the German government's high-tech strategy, a program launched in 2006 to champion digitalization of the manufacturing sector. The German government sought to strengthen Germany's position as a leader in advanced manufacturing solutions. A panel of government officials, engineers, business leaders, and academics brainstormed a vision of the future of German industry, culminating in the High-Tech Strategy 2020, which was introduced in 2010. Professor Wolfgang Walster, director and CEO of the German Research Center for Artificial Intelligence, brought the term Industry 4.0 into the mainstream during the opening ceremony address at the 2011 Hannover Fair. Following its introduction, the concept was further baked by the Industry Science Research Alliance and various German industry groups. In 2013, they presented the Working Group on Industry 4.0 final report, outlining strategies and recommendations for implementing Industry 4.0 technology. Reflecting on the event's 10-year anniversary in 2021, Walster said, "The concept rapidly spread virally around the world and is in use today, like the words kindergarten and Autobahn, with their association to Germany." In 2024, Industry 4.0 remains top of mind as manufacturers globally seek to maximize efficiency to drive innovation and sustainability. About 130,000 people from all over are expected to attend Hannover Messe 2024 this April.